All Mamita and Frozen, we're out to explore. Every twist and turn, we're craving more. With the camera rolling and the world in view, it's our adventure story, just me and you.
Hi guys, welcome to Mamita and Frozen. Right now we are walking in San Antonio downtown Riverwalk, and we are heading to the Alamo. Let's come with us and see our journey. Of course. No. You want to go here first?
No.
It's the Plaza Muralada.
You know what that is?
This is a kite thing.
Yeah, it's the battlefield.
Yeah, the battlefield. For Texas and Mexico.
How many battles they have?
Are those people?
You want to go there? There's a park inside. You want to go there?
Oh, what is that building?
I don't know.
Mommy, I want to go there.
Let's go
I
there.
want to join the walk.
Okay, let's walk
Can
there.
I join the walk?
Let's take the. This is Alamo.
Can I get the t-shirt?
That is for the school. Hello. You want to join the school? You want to get the t-shirt? Let's go.
No.
Ali, walk. I'm in the back.
No.
Protection against raiding Indians. On October 2nd, 1835, instead of returning to Canada, they fired on Mexican soldiers, taunting, "Come and take it." And down inside the walls of the Alamo, hoping for protection from the impending battle.
Mommy, can we want to see the it's still on?
But we don't have time. We need to go outside, and our parking will be like out. Okay.
Oh, it's forest. They drink with the forest.
Alamo de Paz.
I'll find that movie.
Starting his mission is now
We have to go around. See, I want to find the barrack. Where's the barrack?
What is it about?
The one that they will try to sell and then they don't.
Capybara?
No, the barrack of Alamo. Let's go there.
No.
That time we should.
Mommy, I want to go inside the church.
It's close, I think. Oh, maybe we go from here.
Huh?
We can go.
No, they have. Mommy, can you ask them?
Yeah, here, come. Explore here. Yes, we can go from here. You can do this. Connecting each other. See, this is also the part of it.
I want to see. It's a shop.
This is a shop. You want to go?
Maybe. No, they have.
From
I see
other side?
people Go inside there.
We want to go to the inside Alamo.
Is
It was
a
a,
church?
it was a church. It was a lot of military, and so we are going to get the ticket for Alamo and stuff. What is it even there?
Used to be a church. I think
Yeah.
now it's a visitor thing. No, it used to be a church.
Okay. Alamo Church. Come on.
They took it.
Going to?
Alamo.
I wish that my mom would be here and with the.
Huh?
We can take her later.
Is the Alamo the kingdom or something?
No, it's not the kingdom. It's
Is it city?
this now. Here, come.
sides. Don't touch the walls. No flash photos. About it.
Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure. Thank you.
Put it in.
Don't touch the wall. Thank you.
Picture right here, so you can quick photo. You get a postcard.
No.
Huh? I want to do it.
Anything for you?
Mommy, they don't listen you. They said that you're going to get the picture.
Yeah, but you need to pay it.
Look at that.
That is the electric mirror.
I cannot believe that is so old.
Yeah, don't touch it. They're under construction.
Oh, come here.
Want to go here? We can't go from here, from other side maybe. No, not from here. What is that? Explain me.
It's the flags.
Okay.
The flag. This is the flag and this is the flag.
Okay.
Why the flag is Italy?
I don't know. I don't know.
There was a window here. The window was never finished, so they would have used that.
But wait, it's closed. They will do later. You cannot just open it. I will.
Command you go.
Let's go. You can't even wait. I'm just looking. You don't even read. Let's go that side and read. Let's go. The parking is all done. And you need to go to the. Imagine the war what happened here.
Oh yeah. We're stepping on their footsteps, right?
Yeah. So it would look like this. Right? It would just like look like that.
Are you
Republic.
going to get one?
I don't know why. It's not mentioned the price.
Look.
What is the price?
$1, I think.
No. I
$1.
know. Let's say
$1.
no. Dr. Pepper.
No. Yeah, Dr. Pepper.
How much?
$1.
Okay.
Today?
Huh?
Are you going today?
Tomorrow. I'm going tomorrow afternoon.
What time are you coming back?
In the night,
What night? What
like
time?
12.
In the morning?
Yeah.
And why 12 in the morning?
I don't know. What is this place? Oh, it's so good, baby. In the night it will be so beautiful, right? With all the light
Can
and
we go back?
they came here
Here?
camping.
Can we go back
Where?
home?
Let's take a rest and we're gonna walk there. arch there. Let's go and see. They're nice. Hey. They're soldiers. They're coming. Oh, I love this performance. Come and sit down and watch. They're coming this way. No. You like this place? Outdoor classroom. You can study here. This is an outdoor classroom.
This is a summer camp in Alamo.
I don't know. They might have. That's nice.
Nice.
I think a long time ago I've been here. I don't see all this. Yeah, I was here like 11 years ago. This looks so different. This looks so different when I came that time.
Oh, you're 25 that time.
Yeah,
You're 25 that time or 26?
I don't know.
I think 26 that time.
You remember the way to go back? Parking? I think this way, right? Where we came from. How was the experience here?
Cool.
So that's it? We're gonna go home?
Now you go to haunted house.
Okay, not go.
Do you get haunted house?
We can go and look from the front, okay?
On the front side.
We're going.
Hi, bye.
Huh?
Is that the ball?
Thank you.
I did.
There you got it.
Oh, we have a car there.
Oh, yeah. We still have a car.
It's there.
Oh.
Let's go. Our parking almost there. You can also open the up and then standing like looking around. If the police will not stop. What is the function on the roof?
For taking pictures.
And even the police will not allow it. So we parked the car over there. Our time is almost over. Can we just cross here? Oh, nice bridge, baby. So many. Maybe I don't think you need to buy one. You can just go on San Antonio whenever you want to ride it. Wait, okay? Wait. Mamanya tau gak sih?
Tadi muter-muter tadi ya,
Iya.
balik lagi hari ini. Tadi makan lu ya?
Parkir. Daripada bayar $10. You want to take the boat?
Dia nggak lihat pacar, nggak lihat.
Dia lihat. Let's go walk.
Nyebrang deh. Sayang motornya nggak bisa ya.
Let's see, where is that? This is the mall that you're talking about? No, this is the mall, right? So we are in the San Antonio River Walk.
Welcome to Mommy and Tarzan. We're going on the boat today.
Okay. Terus ngasih suruh ke Pajan suruh ke bawah tapi enggak.
Do you ask that y'all piece it together?
Yes. Yeah. Well, take whatever you want. What do you want? You here? Okay.
Bukala.
Bukara. See how you're good. Here we gonna
We
go.
got made a good picture of you.
Yeah. Yeah. Not in the middle. In the middle we don't make a good view because our view is blocked.
Oh, dari situ kita nggak bisa ambil ini.
Here is good. On the side.
How are you doing?
Hi, good.
Thank you.
And why Baba not sitting with us?
Oh, we're going here. I thought we were going with us.
Alrighty. Can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the San Antonio River Cruises. We're going to be together for about 2.5 miles. I am Leo. I'll be your boat captain, and as your boat captain, I have to let y'all know that I do have to go over a few safety rules. So, I do ask for everyone's attention. Now, rule 1, y'all just please remain seated throughout the boat ride. Please no standing. Number 2, no smoking on the ride. And include cigarettes and vaping. Number 3, just keep all your stuff in the boat. Don't move over the rails. And number 4, don't fall in the river. Now, if you do break that rule and you fall in the river, you can stand up. Because the San Antonio River is only around 3 to 4 feet deep. This is like your stomach.
It's not.
Your chest, maybe
It's
your
like
waist.
swimming pool.
Overall, not a dangerous death. But right now, we're going to get a free show, so I highly recommend y'all get your phones and cameras out. So they can get your phones and cameras ready.
Oh, it is dance. Look at them. They're dancing. Ah.
Alrighty. Let's remember to remain seated. We are going to see how the trees lined up with a very distinct building in the background, which is actually the Bexar County Courthouse, the longest continuously ran courthouse in Texas, founded in 1718. But after that, look to my top left. Top left, look as high as you can. Look at that tower, y'all. That is the Tower Light. Tower Light was constructed in 1929 by father-son duo, Robert and Ashley Ayers. Cost them $3 million to bond in 1 year to make. But if y'all look at the top of the tower, you'll find gargoyles sticking out of the building, way up there. Y'all see them? After that, look at the bottom of the building and look for the first story windows. Look for the first story windows and look slightly above the windows and you'll find grotesque faces. Can y'all see them? Now, why are they there? Now, the reason they're there is because the original owners of the Tower Light, their names were the Smith brothers.
You like the-
The Smith brothers
you
were a
like
very
the hat?
superstitious duo. They believed that the faces of gargoyles would ward off bad business, and they say it kind of looks like the Titanic.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Like the shape.
Yeah,
Just a heads up, y'all. Right now, we are at a blind spot. I need to honk my horn to make sure no one's gonna come through here. So once again, I am going to honk my horn. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And we're gonna go to the right. We're going to the right. We're not gonna go to the left. Left is dangerous.
Oh.
We go to the left over there. We'll eventually go down a 20-foot drop down Nueva Street down.
Okay. Whoa.
You can raise your hand if you want to go down the drop.
No.
You put the hand down.
I don't know.
If we go down the drop, we're probably going to end up in the Gulf because this river here is 246 miles long. Wait, why is the river so long? Well, because the river's a natural river, y'all. This thing's over 10,000 years old, and it's literally the reason the city exists. Now, it was so bad that the river underneath us destroyed millions of dollars of property, but it also killed 202 people, and it was reported that the river underneath us rose 9 feet, but not 9 feet. It is the confluent civilization made for the 1968 World's Fair by a Mexican artist that you've probably heard of. His name was Juan. Now, the mosaic, fascinatingly enough, is actually made out of 400,000 individual naturally colored stones that were all collected in Mexico, right? They were collected and then transported to the downtown area where Juan, by himself, assembled each individual stone up there, and it took one artist 6 months to make the entire mosaic.
She's walking and tired. Grandma, I took a lot of walk today.
Yang sa foto masuk na.
Yeah.